Magandang araw mga ka-e-life! I'm here in Camp Bantaylaya, the home of 2nd Laguna Provincial Mobile Force Company here in Siniloan, Laguna for the opening ceremony of its first ever FC Cup Basketball Challenge. A sports fest is sponsored by the 2nd LPMFC Advisory Group for the uniformed men of this company. Ito po ay 3-on-3 challenge na sinalihan ng 4 platoons kasama na ang personnel ng headquarters. 10 teams ang maglalaban-laban at ang mga teams na mananalo ay tatanghaling mga kauna-unahang winners ng first FC Cup Basketball Challenge. These are the trophies together with all the medals. Siyempre, yan po ay sponsored by our generous co-advisory group members. And for that, we would like to thank Miss Mary Cabrera and Brother Daniel Guevara for their generosity. Right now, you are witnessing the parade of each teams just around the Camp Bantaylaya compound. Each team po ay represented ng kanilang mga muse na uniform women o mga WAPS personnel ng kampo. We have the white team sa pangunguna ng snappy at supportive na acting force commander ng 2nd LPMFC, Police Major Jerry Abalos. We have the yellow team sa pangunguna ni Police Captain Ricky Lopez. The green team led by Police Lieutenant Leandro Bobadilla. The gray team led by Police Executive Master Sergeant Danilo Salem. Meron din po tayong black team, pink team, red team, blue team, and the combination colors po ng black and red team. And for the last, sabi nila, assorted colors daw ang team nila. Syempre guys, hindi rin papatalo ang ating mga muse. Nag-present din po sila ng kanilang mga performances o mga talent. At ang mananalo pong best muse ay makakatanggap ng cash prize worth 5,000 pesos, sponsored by Miss Mary Cabrera. Ngayon guys, tunghayan natin ang ilang performances ng mga muse natin.
Baby girl, just move if you wanna, take if you wanna, take it and again and again and again, do what you wanna, turn if you wanna, come back.
This time guys, nagpaligsahan din ang ating mga tropa sa free throw challenge and 3-point shootout challenge. Of course, with medals and cash prize din sa mga mananalo. This is just the beginning. We surely hope na may mga kasunod pa dahil naniniwala po tayo sa 2nd LPMFC na regular physical activities are the most important things you can do for your health. This kind of sports fest promote collaboration, teamwork, communication that can increase efficiency and productivity in the workplace. So that's all for now guys. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again on my next vlog. Bye!